Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to tie Ruffles Gele on our Sego fabric. We are going to make do with the 72 length. That's the Asoke size gele you get. So you see the way I'm squeezing it. If you have, or if you're making do with a new gele, that's how you're going to do it. Anytime I say squeeze, that's what I'm referring to, you get. So let's get right into the video. Our measurement is 50-50. You're going to make 7 pleats and place her at the back of your head, bring forward and cross. So just watch carefully. Can you see what we are doing? You arrange the pleats properly and cross. When you cross, you take a pleat and pin to the base. When I was tying this style, I was skeptical. I was like, is it going to reach and all of that? Now mind you, if you want a normal size or a medium size of Ruffles Gele, you're going to see via the thumbnail how it looks. If you want that size, you're going to use this 72. If you want a bigger one, you're going to make do with that length 90 Sego fabric you get. So that's just that. Keep watching. Now after we are done pinning to the base, we are going to start making our ruffles. We'll make ruffles on both flaps, then join together. This gele is, I wouldn't say it's quite easy. That's if you're a beginner, you get. It's not that easy, and based on the fact that it's Sego, you have to be careful when making your ruffles and ensure that you pin where necessary, because it's very important. Don't be scared, it's going to turn out nice. The look is going to come out well and fine. So when we are done making our ruffles on the first flap, we are going to repeat the same on the second one. Now we are doing the ruffles on the second flap. If you need a detailed tutorial, I already have. I'm going to leave it in the description box for you to go check it out. A step-by-step tutorial I have on Sego, I have on Asoke, you get. So the choice is yours to choose and watch. Now we repeat the same thing on the second flap. Please, when you're doing this, take your time, like relax, relieve yourself of all pressure, and you're going to get it. And please, for this particular Ruffles Gele, in fact any Ruffles Gele, do not economize pin. And also when you're pinning, ensure that you pin at the back. I always tell beginners to pin in front, then later they do it. But as time goes on, don't pin in front because the head of the pin is going to be showing. You get, so to avoid all of that and make your gele to look like a professional's work, you're going to pin at the back. Now, when we are done joining both together, you go ahead to make finishing touches and cover the back if possible. That's if you're not leaving your back open, you cover it. You get. Guys, if you've watched up to this point, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share my videos. You could also drop a style you want me to do. And there you have it. This is our gele, our Ruffles Gele. Very suitable for owambe, for Asoke people. You get. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.